Hello, my name is Maria and welcome to Erpag demo. Erpag is cloud-based ERP and MRP software solution that covers all processes for small businesses. What makes us cloud-based, it means that we work on all platforms. That means that either if you have Chrome, Edge, Mozilla, Opera, you can work within Erpag. We also have a integration, built-in integration with leading software solutions, which close some functionalities such as QuickBooks Online and Xero for accounting, and also Stripe for finance. We also do have integration with web shops such as Shopify, Magento, and WooCommerce. The goal is that Erpag is the concentrator of all business changes. We connect data from different resources, we crunch them in a database, and we are preparing them for tracking business processes. Erpag is a cloud MRP software for also complex products, which are products that we produce and they are based on bill of materials, such as this bike here that we have. What differs us from other software solutions, our main advantage is that we are enabling our users to customize the software according to their own needs. Anyone with codeless knowledge can use the Blockly scripts to cover their business logic. It's located here under administration and Blockly scripts. We are supporting this for sales orders, purchase orders, and work orders. For example, you can create a certain business logic to increase or decrease the value of all sales orders that are over, I don't know, maybe $5,000 or something like that. Erpag can easily manipulate large data sets thanks to custom-built controls from scratch. That means that if we go to our sales order list here, and we hit this chart button, we will get these colorful reports that are based on different criteria. We can also do that from the snippets on our homepage. For example, if I click here on the customer outstanding payments, it will directly lead me to a correlated window. So let's just do a small and quick example by creating a sales order, just for me to show you what Erpag can do for any customer. And let's take our high bike. Okay, once we save it, the system will go through your stock and compare the quantities. In case of no quantity, you will have here this generate button from which you will either generate a manufacturing project or a work order. Manufacturing project means that this is a multi-level BOM-based product, which means that it's a bit more complex. Here we can see all the work orders that we need to go through in order to get to our top product, to our high bike. Once we launch this, the system will again go through the SKUs and compare this to your stock. Here we can see that we have partial quantities, which means, of course, that we have some items missing. Anything that you need to order will be here under purchasing and fulfillment. This is your to order list. To order these items, select them all, go to bulk action and purchase orders. The system will generate the purchase orders automatically and they will go to these purchasing and purchase orders. I will go to each one of them and receive them to our stock so we can start with our production. And if you notice here on some of the items, we actually have the info button next to the committed quantity. So if you click on it, you can see for which work order this is committed to. Okay, let's receive one more. Okay, post the document. Okay, now since we have everything in our stock, if we go back to our manufacturing project that is in process, we will see that we have about available quantities for our production. This one is missing the break it because this is the work order that we will use to produce it. Okay, by opening this work order, we have available quantity. So the next step is to load the material. By loading the material, we are taking the items from stock and we are delivering finished goods to our stock. And the last step is to complete this. Okay, let's move to the next one. I will just now use a shortcut and I will use complete as planned. Okay, load the material. Okay, choose the serial number for this one as well. Okay, deliver the finished goods and complete it. Okay, now we are on to our last work order. We will also complete this one as planned. And at the end, we need to complete our manufacturing project. Okay, once this is completed, our sales order that we generated for this high bike will have available quantity. Here we can also see based on which manufacturing project did we produce this item. Once we pack this, we will generate a packing list and this item will be out of our stock. We will invoice it, and from here you can also email this to your customer and record a payment as well. I hope that you enjoyed this demo, and well, that's the basic functionality of Erpag. Hope you liked it. Have a great day. Bye.